In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi K70 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Then click on grey switcher next to it to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Lastly, select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!